Okay, got some boxes came in. Full box. See that? Power supply. Okay, got your brightness. You got your switch to cool bright light, and then you get more like the sun. You can say that's the best way to explain it. And then look, you can just unplug it. Okay, and then you can take it apart. It comes with the stand. Works good. That's very good because you can put it away. You don't have to worry about this, or if something happens to this cord, you can just buy that cord. So, good job. Good. Alright, as you can see, the lights are working fine. You can see the brightness. You can turn up, make the more sun. Oh, the sun. The sun. Alright, Instagram. Right.